Hey guys, it's Homesteading Cheaper by the Dozen. We're after fixing up the house. Hi Jim Bob, Jimmy. We bought some flooring in an auction. And hey girls, smile. We bought enough to do hopefully our house and Granny's house and our house that we need to fix up and sell. But we started off by doing in here. So we're gonna do this room and the living room. It's a mess because we just moved the tables back out of there. But it's our beautiful floor. Looks a whole lot nicer than the other stuff. While we're at it, Mama thought she's gonna change the paint scheme. So we're, instead of blue, I think she, awesome. She had the blue, I think, to match the blue carpet, but it's not really looking sweet now, so she's gonna go with a green to match the flooring, which is looking really nice. Now we're gonna have to paint the tables because they look kind of goofy, but it's all good because we're getting everything nice and tidied up for springtime. Are you helping out, Gabrielle?
We can put flowers on the table.
Flowers? All right. What are you girls working on?
Floor.
Yeah, they helped Dad bust in these pieces around this hearth are really hard to lock in. They're really aggravating. The girls have helped Dad lock in that last piece. It was super hard. We had to use a bunch of pieces and blocks and everything to get them in place. But we're gonna get it knocked out. I think we're going all the way through here. We're gonna have, we did the little girl's room already with some stuff from Lowe's, and that's a mess. Sorry about that, but the little girl's room, for this like 150 square feet, we paid almost 200 bucks. And then at auction, we bought 1,500 square feet of this flooring, which is a thicker floor. We only paid like 350 bucks for that, so we're pretty excited.
Daddy, I should show the done.
You wrote what?
I put a crack in there.
Awesome. So yeah, we're pretty excited. We're gonna have some good flooring. And Mama says we may run all the way through to the kitchen. I don't know how flooring is gonna handle the water, but we're definitely gonna do the boys' room. We'll probably let the girls do their room now that we got the little girls' room done. And dining room.
Can we do the bathroom?
No, not with this stuff. And then we'll do the living room. Mama says maybe the other room, which Dad's cool with because I hate carpet. I hate it with a passion. It's nasty. But if we change out from this, we're going with hardwood. Next time we do flooring, we're gonna be rich and famous. We're gonna have money for hardwood flooring. Sound good? Oh yeah. This is our newest addition to the family. What's his name?
Minion, mine and Chassie's.
Minion?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
And then we got 3 more.
More ducks. More. There we go. What's this one name?
I don't know, that's Mom. I call it Speedy.
Speedy
fast.
Gonzalez?
Yeah.
Alright.
Someone setting a ladder up for me.
Mama's finishing up the painting. We're gonna finish up the flooring. And y'all have a good blessed day or night. And what do you got? What's that one's name?
I may not know.
What's his name?
I don't know. What do you call it, Precious?
Well, you gotta have a name.
Fluffo.
Fluffo. Alright, we got Fluffo, Speedy Gonzalez, and who else?
Minion.
Minion.
Daddy, what?
Alright guys, give us a thumbs up.
Thumbs up!
Thumbs up. Give us likes and subscribes and have a
Like
good day.
our